I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add KuCoin to Google Authenticator, providing a full guide to enhance your account security. First, open your KuCoin application and head over to the security settings. Look for the Google verification or two-factor authentication option. This is a crucial step to protect your digital assets, so tap to begin the setup process right away. Next, you will see a secret key displayed on your KuCoin screen. Carefully copy this key. Now, switch over to your Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon, which is typically located in the bottom right corner, to add a new account. Choose the option Enter a setup key, and then paste the secret key you just copied from KuCoin into the designated field. This links the two applications. Once you have pasted the key, name the account KuCoin within your Google Authenticator app for clear identification. Save this new entry. Immediately, Google Authenticator will generate a unique 6-digit verification code. This code changes every 30 seconds, so be quick. Copy this code and return to your KuCoin app. Paste the 6-digit code into the verification field to confirm the connection. Finally, confirm the setup within your KuCoin application to finalize the entire process. Your KuCoin account is now secured with Google Authenticator. Remember to always back up your secret key in a very secure, offline location. Never, under any circumstances, share your Authenticator codes or secret key with anyone. Also, ensure you use a strong, unique password for your KuCoin account for maximum protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.